What a lovely day to do nothing. Am I right? Or am I right? Yeah, you're right. Exactly. Guys, something terrible has happened. What happened, Freddy? Timothy the Ghost Engine has teamed up with the Chopper Engine, Diesel, and Diesel 10, and they've kidnapped Train Guy 56. Oh no, that's our leader. Without him, our lives are nothing. Yeah, we need the super engines. But we haven't had they I should say haven't had their movie yet. It doesn't matter. They need to come right now. Do any of you know where they are? Well, I mean, uh, yeah. Uh, well, uh, you see, the thing is,